How to understand YouTube AdSense earnings quickly. If you're a YouTube creator looking to understand your AdSense earnings efficiently, you're in the right place. Let's break down the key elements that contribute to how much you earn from YouTube AdSense. First, explore the concept of CPM or cost per mille, which is the amount advertisers pay per thousand ad views. Your CPM can vary widely depending on the niche of your channel, the demographics of your audience, and current market demand. Generally, more competitive niches, like finance or technology, tend to have higher CPM rates. Next, let's focus on RPM, or revenue per mille. This represents how much you earn per thousand video views after YouTube takes its share. RPM can give you a clearer picture of your earnings since it factors in all revenue sources, including subscriptions, super chat, and more. It's important to know that ad formats can influence your earnings as well. AdSense revenue comes from skippable and non-skippable ads, display ads, and other types like bumper ads. Some formats pay more than others, so it's good to experiment and find what works best for your audience. Consider audience location, as it dramatically impacts your earnings. Advertisers pay different rates depending on the country of your viewers. Typically, views from countries like the United States, Canada, or the United Kingdom will generate higher revenue. Finally, consistent content creation and engagement help increase views and ad revenue. More views mean more opportunities for ads to be shown, ultimately boosting your earnings. Pay attention to audience preferences and content trends to maximize your AdSense revenue. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into maximizing your YouTube success.